So today we did an installation for the latest EVO FIT touchscreen for the BMW X3. This is a 2015 model car and this is the M Sport 30D. In fact, this car has a lot of upgrades. We had upgraded the Harman Kardon system to a Morel BMW specific system, and this one sounds a lot better than the standard stuff. This car has also been heavily modified on performance upgrades, but that's a different subject for a different day. This is an 8.8-inch touchscreen upgrade, which basically is controlled using the BMW iDrive controller, as well as it has a touchscreen. So both ways it can be controlled. It has a slide option too. So slide left will take us to the left menu, and slide right will bring us to the right menu. Then we have full access to all the old menus. So the existing user interface is different from what this is. This is the iDrive 8 user interface. You can access the iDrive 4 interface also. So you get access to all your existing features, the vehicle information, functions, none of that goes away. So you can just go here and check for errors and stuff. So this car has no faults. So now if we want to go back to the iDrive 8 menu, what we do is just touch the screen here. So it comes back to the iDrive 8. So there are various different things here. We can change the way the user interface looks. So it's a slight change of sport as well as efficient. So it basically just changes the look and feel and the cursors and stuff. This has inbuilt navigation. It has Google Maps inbuilt. It also has Apple Carplay, Android Auto, wireless. We have the telephone option by which we can do the Bluetooth pairing. We have a dashboard by which we can basically, when we rev the engine here, it revs the engine there too. And then it has the speed, and it will also show you weather information from the GPS. Right now it's not connected. This is a new install which we just completed. HD video. You can go full screen. Excellent video quality. You can skip to a different part of the video.
Scott, I've been watching you for a while.
The existing steering controls continue to work as it is. As you see, I reduce and increase the volume.
Serves a shot at redemption. You.
Fully integrated system. So we can also
Sound. Use controller to continue.
We also have wireless CarPlay, as I mentioned. This iPhone has been wirelessly connected to Apple CarPlay through Z-Link. So you can basically, scroll through the menu options. We can also use the iDrive controller to control this. So we have our phone calls, music, GPS, all of that inbuilt. Apple Maps, Google Maps. So I can just go select Google Maps. I could pick up like a destination and go navigating.
Head west on First Main Road toward Cambridge Road, then use any lane to turn right onto Cambridge Road.
We also have a split screen option by Apple CarPlay. Here is the icon menu. Here's Google Maps. Then there is Apple Maps, so I could exit Maps here. And I could go to menu and just choose Apple Maps. So here we could pick up another destination, again maybe a petrol bunk or something like that. And it's the same navigation, works just like Google Maps, even Apple Maps. We hit car over here and it just comes back to the iDrive 8 menus. We've got apps over here, so whatever apps we install later will show up in this list. You have an inbuilt Play Store. This is a very fast system. It has got a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which is the latest 680 for car systems, as well as 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. So really powerful system out here. All genuine hardware, excellent quality. We also have a car specific reverse camera. So if I just hit reverse, it just shows us what is right behind the car. Right now we're very close to a wall, so that's why the sensors have picked up. So the red dot is basically very close to something. I can also turn the steering. As you can see, the adaptive guidelines work. so we can know whether the steering is straight or not. I'll move the car a little front, and then I can put reverse again. As you see, it goes from yellow so that's how this thing works. So basically press the parking button to get out of the sensors and press the P button on the gear and it comes back. We have an offline music player too, where we can read FLACs, waves, MP3s, so lossless formats can be read. Excellent sound quality, a really good system. If you'd like to learn more about this system, get in touch with us or go to evoretrofits.in. I hope you like this system, and I hope you have a nice day.